Hello guys, welcome to Abipravi. In this Python cash course, you're going to see about the conditional statements in Python. And what are the conditional statements? There are two types of conditional statements which is called as if and else if. So in this statement, the only true block will be executed. For example, if we have two statements like 4 and 5, we need to check that if 4 is less than 5. Okay, if this true, it will be printed in the if block. If we check only this value is true, okay, then we need to use the if block, or we need to check if 4 less than 5 or 4 greater than 5. So there are two blocks. Okay, when the 4 is less than 5, we need to use it in if block, and the 4 is greater than 5, for that we need to use else block. Okay, so the two blocks of the statement block, you can able to see this code. Okay, you can able to see this code. So here if is the keyword. Okay, so I already told that keyword if is a keyword, and if age greater than equal to 18, so we have a variable age, so this is called as the age box. Okay, so this is the age box, and when the age is becomes the greater than 18, for example, I enter the age as 20. Okay, so it print eligible to vote, or else it just comes out of the block and prints nothing. Okay, so it does not print nothing. Okay, so if else statement here, so I already told that this if is a keyword and else is also a keyword, and if age is greater than 18, I have already told that. But if for example I enter the age as 18, okay, so 18 is less than 18 is less than 18. Okay, you can able to see that. Okay, so whenever we put 18 is less than or equal to 18, then only the if block will be executed. But here 18 is less than 18, okay, not equal to, so there is no equal to is provided here, so the else block will be activated and prints not eligible to vote. So now, so first they are getting an input for the age value input. Okay, so after that the label, so I have already told that you need to give a label for here. Okay, enter your age. Okay, after that the age box will appear here. If age is greater than 18, I have already told that print eligible to vote. So you can able to notice here I just using here as a double quotes and here as a single quotes. I already told in the first module you can use either single quotes or double quotes. After this first line printed, you can able to see the true block, and in the next line if the age is less than 18, and it just printed not eligible to vote line here. Okay, so this is the false block, and you can able to see that. Okay, I just going to read on this code. Okay, okay, now we just to specify the type of this program as int. Okay, so if you are processing a string, you don't want to give anything. If you are processing an int, you need to give the input function here. So now the program will execute successfully. See here, see in the terminal window, I'm entering the age as 20 here, and the age will be assumed to here and it becomes to here. After that, if I enter the age as 18, the age will be assigned to 18 and the false block will be executed. Okay, detailed. So in here they're getting an age as the input. So for the first time I entering the age as 20. Okay, and it will check if age is greater than 18. Okay, so it come to the next line, it will check age is greater than 18. So 18 is greater than 18, sorry, 20 is greater than 18, and you are able to see it is true. So now this true block will be executed and they are pretty eligible to vote. And after that, what I do, I enter the age as 18. Okay, so I'm just going to change my age and enter my age as 18. After I enter my age as 18, so it will check which block will be executed here. After that, it will check this part, this is the false, and it will check this part, so this will be true, so because it's less than 18. Okay, and the false block will be executed here. And I hope you like this video, and there is a one more if else statement is available, and that will be in the next video, so please watch the next video. Thank you.